Welcome to the TerryTracker channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today we are still in Pattaya and we've come to Terminal 21 shopping mall, and get a look at this view. Terminal 21 is one of the newest shopping malls here in Pattaya, and it's based on traveling around the world. So you're supposed, when you're in the centre here, you're supposed to be in the airport, and every time you come up an escalator, that's you taking off and landing in another city or country. So right now we're in San Francisco. This place is huge and it has such a range of food. We haven't even walked halfway across one floor yet. Wow. And there you have it, we've got a bit of everything here at Terminal 21. So that was a quick look at the food floor here on Terminal 21 in Pattaya. Look at that view, look at that. No health and safety here, eh? Look at that. Anywho, fall straight over there. See you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.